vlog today. I just really wanted to take some time and just thank everybody who's been subscribed to this channel from the beginning. I haven't been vlogging for about 2 years. I just kind of started back up. My dad always calls me like a vlogger out of retirement, but that kind of is true. 2 years ago when I stopped vlogging, I had about 100 subscribers, and somehow without doing anything, I've gained 100 more, which absolutely blows my mind. So I just want to thank all of you guys for just coming along with me on this journey. I do plan on vlogging some more. I'm not going to make any commitments because that's when I get myself into trouble and don't actually hold those commitments, but I can tell you that I've taken the beginning of this year to just really brainstorm what I want to do with this channel. I think I'm gonna kind of steer it away from travel, but don't get me wrong, there's still gonna be lots of travel vlogs. Traveling is a huge part of my life, and I don't plan on getting rid of it anytime soon. But over the past couple of years, I have really gained a couple passions for things that I want to share with you guys, and I want to share with the world. And you know, if I can make a difference in one person's life, I feel like that would just be absolutely rewarding. Topics will be kind of like things regarding health and just how to be the best you. I've kind of come to a lot of realizations lately. I've been vegan. I know that word kind of scares a lot of people, but I have been vegan. I've been living on a plant-based diet for over a year now, and I feel incredible. So I just want to like talk about that. I know the vegan lifestyle isn't for everyone, and I don't want to force it on anyone, but I do know I have a lot of friends and family members who are curious about it. So there's got to be other people out there who are curious about it. One of the biggest questions I always get is, Jordyn, how do you travel and be a vegan? Like, I just can't imagine. And I can tell you it's challenging. I'm not going to go into detail about it now because there is going to be a video about it, but I do want to share with you guys my experience. I do plan on also doing a lot of restaurant reviews on the places that I'm traveling, even like my area, which I live in Seattle, Washington. For those of you who didn't know, I want to kind of give you guys like an idea of what it's like being a vegan in that area. For those of you who didn't know, I've actually been working on cruise ships for the past 2 years. I know, there could have been a lot of awesome content that came out of that, but I was really kind of just getting the hang of things. I've also been kind of going through a lot, but I do want to talk to you guys about cruising. I will be getting back on a cruise ship here pretty soon. Just found that out, which is really exciting. So I want to share that portion of my life with you guys. And so, yeah. If you don't follow me on Instagram, you should probably go do that. It's Jordyn Burns with 2 S's, Jordyn with a Y. So go follow me on Instagram. I'm always posting things on there if I'm not YouTubing it. Like I said, if you're not subscribed to this channel, you should probably get subscribed right now because there's gonna be lots of awesome content coming up that I promise you aren't gonna wanna miss. But yeah, I think that's really all from me. I just want to say thank you. You guys are awesome and wonderful, and I'm really excited for the future with this channel. All right, guys, without further ado, let's take it to the vlog. Good morning, vlog. Today, we're at the Texas Capitol.
It's a cinder at night, blasting playpen in the daytime. Goosebumps rise at 9.
It wouldn't be us if we weren't going to the bathroom first.
Sunrise, cut the cord at noon.
There's Mom.
Please get back early.
I'm sweating like the worst. I've been really lacking on the vlogging. I'm like sweating hardcore. But we're at Voodoo Donuts now, which is pretty cool because they have a Voodoo in Portland, which is really close to Seattle. Like, it's not really close, like 2.5 hours, 3 hours. But so we made it to Voodoo Donuts, and we found a little vegan donut, which is so cool because you can't really find vegan donuts anywhere. And they're known for, what's this little guy called? The Voodoo Doll. It's called the Voodoo Doll. I'll put a picture somewhere over here of what it looked like before we devoured it. But it's so good. Like, it's so good. And this is vegan. Like, good. So good. I want to take the last bite. You want to? Yeah, we are just wandering around Austin. We're on 6th Street right now, which is a pretty famous street. They have like all these little boutiques and places to eat. And later on, we're gonna go to this brewery that has like a really awesome like location to watch the sunset. So we're gonna go do that. Yeah, so nothing really too crazy planned today. The Capitol was incredible. It was beautiful. It's huge, so much bigger than like the Olympia Capitol, well, the Washington State Capitol. So, yeah. All right, we're going to continue walking around. So here we go.
I wanna let you know, even when it gets hard and you wanna let go.
We are currently in like, I can't even like, we are currently in like the most beautiful place ever. Like, oh my gosh.
Even when it gets hard and you wanna let go. Never been the type for giving up.
So to top off our already really amazing day, we are currently at Oasis Texas Brewing Company, and I found this place online, actually on Happy Cow. It's an app for vegans. Maybe I'll explain more on that later. But I found this brewing company that had vegan food. So I was like, perfect, let's go there for dinner. They have the Beyond Burger, so I can actually eat something like a full-blown meal. And on their website it says, we have the most amazing sunsets. Come and see it yourself. And literally, they could not have been any more right. Like, this place is outstanding. This view, look, I can't even believe this is Texas. Like, you think Texas, you think just kind of like dirt and dust, but no, look at this, incredible. So beautiful.
I know we got problems, but I would never walk out on you.
I think someone doesn't want us to leave. Oh yeah, I didn't put an end to that vlog. I will get better at that, I promise, but you should subscribe like I said before. Thank you very much for watching this vlog. If you haven't watched them all of the Texas vlogs is what I'm saying, then you should definitely go watch them all right now. And while you're at it, just go watch all the other vlogs and share them and subscribe and like and press that little bell thing that gives you a notification for when I post a video, and follow me on Instagram. And so I'm being a really annoying YouTuber now, but yeah, bye guys.